I'm going to show you how to generate art and visual content using artificial intelligence. The AI art generator is changing the way we think about art. With an AI art generator, you simply describe the image you see in your mind, and it will generate a corresponding work of art in seconds. It's like having your own personal artist at your beck and call. And because the AI art generator uses artificial intelligence, it gets better the more you use it, so you can always expect stunning results. Whether you're looking for a unique piece to hang in your home or office, a professional artist looking for inspiration, or blog and website content creator, an AI art generator is the perfect tool for you. So, let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is go to AIWritingGenerator.com. Then I'm going to click AI art generator. Next, I'm going to scroll down to get started and click the button. Now I'm already registered to create AI art. If you have not registered already, the website will guide you through the quick registration process. Now we are at the easy-to-use interface. Here you can describe the image you have in your mind, and the artificial intelligence art generator will generate your masterpiece in seconds. You can also select additional details, such as the medium, artist, style, mood, and keywords to enhance your creative expression. Whether you're a seasoned artist or a complete novice, this is a fun tool for anyone who wants to create beautiful, one-of-a-kind art. So let's get started. First, let's do something pretty basic. Let's try a rustic Italian village. I'll make a custom selection here, easy enough. Now you can select anything you want as many times as you want. There is no limit to how many works of art you can create. Now just click Create, and in a few seconds, your art will be created. You can also click Create again, and you will have even more art to choose from. Now let's get a little more creative. Let's try a robot flying through space with a taco. As you can see, whatever you can think of can become art. Let's say you have a cooking blog and need some visual content. We'll enter rustic kitchen with pasta cooking on the stove. Whether you're looking to promote yourself from graphic designer to creative director, or just add a little bit of personality to your business, the artificial intelligence art generator is perfect for you. So what are you waiting for? Visit the link in the video description to get creative right now.